Yemen's Air Force carries out a set of counterattacks against an airbase in Saudi Arabia's southwest as the impoverished country persists in its defensive measures in the face of a years-long Saudi-led war. The retaliation targeted the King Khalid Airbase in the town of Khamis Mushait that lies 884 kilometers (549 miles) south of the Saudi capital Riyadh late on Thursday, Yemen's Al-Masirah television network reported. Announcing the reprisal, Brigadier General Yahya Saree said the counterstrike was carried out using 2 drones of the Qasif 2K make. Targeting King Khaled military base comes in response to the continued US-Saudi military escalation and siege against Yemeni people, he noted. In March 2015, the kingdom and many of its allies unleashed their war machines on the Arab world's already poorest nation. The war has been trying to restore power to Yemen's former Saudi allied officials. The offensive and the simultaneous siege that the invaders have been imposing on the country has led to the death of tens of thousands of Yemenis. Yemen's health ministry, however, puts the death toll far higher, saying the aggression kills just some 100,000 newborn Yemeni children every year. The United States has been lending unchecked arms, logistical, and political support to the Saudi-led coalition. US President Joe Biden, who has claimed that he seeks to end the American support for the war and take Riyadh to task for its actions, has stopped short of adopting any measure towards the self-proclaimed goal.